This is the Cash Flow Analyst. I have some sample data that I'm going to go ahead and load up in here. This took me about 30 to 45 minutes to build this whole app out. You have the past 3 years of financial history in here. You got KPI cards, cash flow waterfall, your cash flow detail, couple trend charts, your ratios and KPIs, and a balance sheet. There's also a Ask AI button up here if you want to ask it any questions like how healthy is the company's cash position, and it'll give you a breakdown on where you're at with cash. So that's nice to have. Instead of looking through this chart, you can just ask AI any question and it'll spit it out based off of all your financial data.